Hey, all you fishing buddies. I got a little video for you here. I decided to go fishing just on the spur of the moment to see if I could catch some bass before this cold front came in. So I went. Glad I did. Ended up catching four keepers and four little bitty ones and lost my nice one. And then if you watch the video toward the end, you'll see why I lost that big fish. So you guys stay on and stay tuned, and we will catch you later.
Okay, we got one. On the red and the purple. Another one. Oh, he's a better size. He's a better size. Oh. Yeah, he's better. He's better. Oh, the hook just came right off. And that's a better size there now. Same worm, same technique.
Okay, it's getting a little slow here now. We'll keep trying to get them. It just slowed up a little bit. Just for general information, I'm using that bloodlight type worm with the curly tail. It's a reddish and black streak, about a 6 inch. And I'm using a slip sinker. I think it's about a 16th. And that's with a leader line. And I was thinking I had 25 on it, but you'll see later on I did not have that. And it's hooked up to a 10-pound braided. So just thought I'd let you know that. Stay tuned and you'll see why I named this what you don't do when you're bass fishing. You'll see what happens. Just hang loose and oh boy, you'll see what I'm talking about. Just hang in there.
That last bass was a little bigger, and I did the same type of retrieve, but I paused it one time, let it sit there for just a second. Seemed to work out better. I caught that one the same way. Pulling it across the bottom, just pull up, let it fall. Just pull up, let it fall. Just pull up and let it fall. Just a little bit at a time. Did you see him want to roll over there? When I get this in, I'll throw it over, see if I can get him to hit it. Right there, right where he rolled at. Right on the money. Alright, let's see if we can get him to take it. Come on there, big boy. He took it. He took it. Well, that makes 5 in the bucket. Caught 6. Those fish are holding out here out in this deeper water. They're not up there close to the bank. But they're feeding though, because it's cold. The front's supposed to be coming in. And they should be feeding. I was always told, but I don't know if it's true or not, that bass will feed 24 hours before the cold front comes in. So I used to use that when I was fishing bass tournaments all the time, and it worked out pretty good. Either that or barometric pressure rising seems to do good. I didn't check it today to see what it was. I just know we had a cold front coming in, and it's supposed to warm up today and get cool tomorrow and the next day, so I figured I'd come on out here and try it and see what happens. Can't do nothing sitting on the couch. Well,
Okay, here's what you don't do when you're bass fishing. You don't reach down and pick the fish up by the line when it's less than 25-pound leader. I usually use a lip technique, but I didn't do it today on the big fish, so I lost him. So I suffer. Next time I'll know better. I should know better after fishing 2 years of bass tournaments. Okie dokie.
We'll be zigzagging on because these old mosquitoes are big crazy. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And hit the notification bell too, so you'll be notified when I put another video on. So tight lines.